Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Python Freaks once again. So, as you might be seeing the screen, today's video is actually where we will install Python and PyCharm from scratch. We will set up the entire environment and will also run a hello world program to verify if the entire setting of Python and PyCharm is done seamlessly. So, without any further delay, let's start the video. So let's start with our Python installation. Go to Google and just write Python download. And as soon as you write it, click on this Python org, the official website of Python. Click on the first link and this particular website will open. So there are two ways. Either you can just directly open this, click on this download Python 3.9.5. So this will automatically download the latest version of Python, or as an alternative, if you want to download some specific version, it can be some, if you want to install Python on Linux, or if you want setup for that, you can click on this, and this will give you the different version if your operating system version is 32-bit, and all those, like there are various sets of flavors of Python available. So you can just select that, and if you want some specific Python version, then you can take that also. Okay, so here we are just going to download this thing. Now, as soon as you click, the setup exe file will be downloaded, and it's just straightforward. You don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for the installation to finish, and then just click on this. Now, as soon as you click, there will be this window. This window, particular window, will open. You have to first add, check this. This is the very important part of this thing, adding path, as you have to manually add this path. If you want to install in this particular location, you can click this, or if you want to install in some particular set of things, like you don't want to install this TCL/TK, and you can uncheck it. Pip is the mandatory thing, so this will help you to download or install all the required libraries of Python. So this is required. Okay, so you just have to click back, and then you have to just click on this. We will go with this particular option. Now as soon as we click this, our installation will start. This will take some 2-3 minutes. Now you can see the setup is successful, so you can close this window. Now to verify, you can just open command prompt and just write Python. So you can see the latest version of Python has been installed. You can just try it by writing print. Right? Say hello world. And you can see our Python installation is successful. Now let's move to the second part, which is PyCharm download installation. So you just need to write PyCharm download and click on this, and this particular website will open. Okay, so you just need to click on this, and then click on this thing, community edition resource download, and as soon as you hit this download, okay, the installation will start. And since I have done this installation already done, so I will just click on this setup part. So this will start my installation. Yeah, so once you click on this, the installation will automatically start. So you just need to do next. Just need to, if you want some custom addition to be done, you can just click on that. Next, install. So this will start installing it. This might take some 3 to 4 minutes since it's a big installation. Now, once this is done, you just need to click on finish. And then you can open here PyCharm from here. You can see the PyCharm is opening. You can do either do not import settings, or if you have some particular installation directory, you can open that. So we will just go with do not import settings. So you can see here. So we will start with, let's say, new project, and so just click on create. Since this is the first time, so it is importing all the libraries and all, and making the setup ready. So this might take some time, and the next time when you open it, this much time will not be taken. You can see the entire thing is done. Okay, now you can do one thing. You can just start, just let's say add one new Python file. Okay, let's name it just let's click it as py. You can see this is open. Just let's try to run it. Print. Hello. Let's save it. Just click on this and then run the code in Python console. So if you open this terminal, you can see it's printing hello world. So this was all about installation of PyCharm.